Most people think they need long workouts, heavy weights, or complicated routines to stay healthy. But the truth is, your body only needs the right movements, done consistently. Especially as we age, joint-friendly, full-body exercises matter more than intensity. These 6 exercises improve mobility, core strength, hip health, posture, and pain-free movement. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment. Just a few minutes a day, and commitment. If you've been waking up stiff, dealing with lower back pain, tight hips, weak core, or low energy, this routine is for you. Let's break down the 6 exercises that can truly change how your body feels. 1. Heel glute bridges. Lie on your back with heels on the floor, knees bent. Lift hips while squeezing glutes. This strengthens hips, protects the lower back, and improves posture and walking stability. 2. Elevated knee tuck. Sit with hands behind you, legs elevated. Pull knees toward chest, then extend into a V position. This activates deep core muscles and improves balance, coordination, and abdominal control. 3. Rocking frog stretch. Get into a frog position with knees wide and hips back. Gently rock forward and backward. This opens tight hips, improves flexibility, and reduces stiffness caused by long sitting. 4. Child pose, push-ups. Start in child's pose, then push forward into a plank and back again. This movement strengthens shoulders, arms, and core while staying gentle on joints and improving spinal mobility. 5. Tiger yoga pose. On all fours, extend opposite arm and leg while arching and rounding the spine. This pose improves balance, strengthens the back, and increases mind-body connection through controlled movement. 6. Hip rolling plank. Hold a plank and slowly roll hips side to side. This targets obliques, strengthens the core, and improves hip stability, helping reduce lower back pain and improve daily movement. Let me tell you a short story. A man in his early 60s once said, "I feel old, not because of my age, but because my body doesn't listen anymore." He avoided exercise because workouts felt painful and exhausting. Instead of intense training, he started doing simple movements like these. Every morning, just 10 to 15 minutes. No pressure, no rush. After a few weeks, something changed. He stood up without holding furniture. His back felt lighter. His steps felt stronger. The pain didn't disappear overnight, but his confidence came back. That's the real power of daily movement. Not perfection, not intensity, consistency. Your body is designed to move, gently, regularly, and intelligently. How to do this routine? Do each exercise for 30 to 40 seconds, or 8 to 12 slow repetitions. Complete all 6 exercises once or twice daily. Morning is best to reduce stiffness and wake up the body. Breathe slowly. Move with control. Never rush. If something feels painful, stop. Slight discomfort is okay. Sharp pain is not. Remember, health isn't built in one workout. It's built in daily habits. These 6 exercises may look simple, but they work deep inside your body, strengthening muscles you use every day for walking, sitting, standing, and living independently. If you stay consistent, your future self will thank you.